You will be getting date sheet. You will be given.
First week of September.
Yeah. You will be getting it in the first week of September. So, do you know the pattern of question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many MCQ questions will be coming?
10.
10.
Yeah, 10 MCQ questions will be coming. And
10 short answer of 2 marks.
yes, 10 short answer questions worth 2 marks each. And
2 long answers.
5 marks
Two
question.
long questions of 10,
2
5
long
marks.
question, 10 short descriptive carrying 2 marks each, and 2 long descriptive carrying 5 marks each. So this is the pattern of your question. And what would you like? Your syllabus for Hindi is over? It might be over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Over हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
over हो गया.
Only revision work
Over
is
हो
there,
गया.
na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, would you like to play quiz?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then who will ask question? I can organize English quiz. I can't organize Hindi quiz because I don't have book. So if Shrija, will you be asking question? Shrija is there? No. Anyone who
No.
would like to ask question? Anyone is there in the class who would like to ask question? Otherwise, I would ask question from your English literature. Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I am still waiting for your answer. What do you like? Hindi or English?
इंग्लिश में
मैम इंग्लिश में आप ही पूछ
इंग्लिश
लीजिए.
ही पूछ लीजिए. आप ही
English.
पूछ लीजिए.
Okay, I should ask. Very good. I can manage it. I have some previous year questions. I would love, term 1, yes. And this one is also term. Okay, I am asking questions from literature. What is chapter 1?
3 questions.
3
Questions.
questions.
3 question is written by
Leo Tolstoy.
Leo Tolstoy.
okay. Who wanted to know answers to his 3 questions?
The king.
The king. The king.
Want to know answer of his 3 questions?
King.
King.
The king.
The king wanted to know the answer of his 3 questions. Why did he want to know the answer of his 3 questions?
Because if you know if you know he would never fail in anything he might undertake.
The correct answer. He would, if he thought if he would know the answers to his 3 questions, he would never fail. That's why he wanted to know the answers to his 3 questions. Some students are still joining. Okay. Yes. What did the king do to know the answers to his 3 questions?
Ma'am, the king pronounced in his kingdom that whosoever will answer his questions will be rewarded richly.
Yes. He proclaimed in his kingdom that whosoever answer his questions would be rewarded richly. What were his questions?
Ma'am, who
Ma'am, what is the right?
What is the right time to
Who
begin
are the
everything?
most important people to listen to,
The
and
most
whom to
important
avoid?
people to
What
listen
is the
and
most
to
important
avoid.
occupation?
And what was
Right.
the most important thing to do?
Yeah. What first question was, what was the right time to begin any action? Second question was, who were the most important people? And third question was, uh, what
What is the
was
most
the
important occupation?
Thing to do.
occupation? So did he get answer to all his questions by the wise people of the kingdom?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then what did he do then?
He went to the wise hermit who in a get-up of a common man.
Yeah, he went to the wise hermit who met only common man. What was the wise hermit doing when the king approached him?
Taking the
Was
earth.
digging the
Digging the
earth.
How did the king feel when he saw the bearded, saw the hermit?
Ma'am, please repeat the
How
question.
did the king feel
He thought
when
he would
he
be
saw?
asking his questions from him.
Ma'am, the king felt pity for the hermit.
Yeah, very nice answer. The king felt pity for the hermit. Why did the king felt pity for the hermit?
Ma'am, because he was very fragile and weak looking.
Yes, because he was weak and frail. What did the hermit do when the king put his questions to him?
Hermit
Hermit
continued
didn't reply the answer.
and continued his work.
Yes, the hermit didn't reply his questions. Why? What did the king do then?
The king started helping the hermit in planting the plants into the earth.
Yeah, the king asked for the spade and and started digging the earth. So did he ask? Did he repeat his question? Did the king repeat his questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After digging,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many beds?
2.
Yes. After digging 2 beds for the hermit, he repeated his question. What did the hermit do then?
The hermit asked
The hermit again didn't.
the hermit asked the king to stop digging the earth
Yeah.
and told him that
Yes, the hermit ignored the king's questions and asked for the spade. Now he wanted to continue digging. What did the king do then?
The king did not give him the. No.
the king asked the king told him that if asked him if he wanted to give the answer and told him that if you don't want to give me the answers then tell me and I'll go.
What was, I couldn't listen you properly. What was your answer?
Ma'am, the king asked the hermit if he could answer his questions and told him that if he didn't want to answer the king's question, then he could then tell him and he could go back
Yeah.
to the kingdom.
Yes, this is correct answer, but this is not correct at the place where I am asking. This, he said, in the evening, he dug beds for him for the whole day. Now evening was approaching. Now he wanted to go home. So he told these things that if you couldn't answer my question, tell me, I will return. Before that, after digging 2 beds for the hermit, the king repeated his question, but the hermit didn't answer his question. He asked for the spade. Now he wants to continue digging. Okay. So what did the king do then? Did he return the spade to the hermit?
No, ma'am.
No, he didn't. Then what did he do?
He continued digging.
Yeah, very nice. He continued digging. So after that, evening approached. He wanted to go home. So he thought that he would ask his questions once more and then he would return. Then what did the hermit do? What did the hermit say by that time?
Ma'am, at that time, the wounded man came, and hermit, and everyone's attention went to the wounded man.
When the king asked for his questions, the hermit, instead of answering his question, he said, "Just see, someone is coming." And who was coming?
Bearded man.
Bearded man.
Bearded man.
He was a bearded man. He had injury. Where did he
On
get
his stomach.
On his stomach.
on his
stomach.
stomach? How did he get injured?
Ma'am, the king's guard had attacked him.
He was recognized by the king's bodyguards. When the king didn't return for the whole day, the bearded man lost his patience. He came out of his hiding place and he wanted to know the reason. In the meanwhile, king's bodyguard recognized him and they tried to kill him. Why did the king's bodyguards try to kill him?
Ma'am, because the
Because of
bearded man
safety of
was
Enemy.
Why did the king's bodyguard try to kill him?
because of his king safety.
Because the bearded man was there to kill or
the
injure
bearded man
king.
was
Because bearded man was an enemy to the king, and he had shown that he would kill him. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
What did the king do when he saw that bearded man was injured seriously?
Ma'am, the king dressed the bearded
No,
man
ma'am.
and took
The king placed
hermit's towel and his handkerchief and covered
the
his
hermit's
wound
towel.
till the blood ceased flowing. He carried the bearded man to the hermit's cell and laid him on the bed.
Nice. So, the king took the bearded man to the hermit's cell, dressed up dressed him, blood was coming, and if his wound would not have been dressed, he would have died because he was bleeding. इतना ज्यादा bleeding हो रही थी कि अगर वो नहीं ये करता तो he would have died. If he was not given proper care, he would have died. After dressing the bearded man's wound, what did the king do? Did the king?
Ma'am, the king slipped on the threshold
of the hermit cell.
on the bed.
The king slept on the threshold of the hermit's cell. What happened in the morning?
In the morning, the king saw the bearded man laying on his bed, and he went closer to him, but he couldn't recognize who the bearded man was. And the bearded man told him that he was that enemy of his, whose property the king has seized and executed his brother.
Yeah.
And
Who revealed this fact? The bearded
man.
The bearded man.
The bearded man.
Then how did the king behave? What was his behavior? Did he repent that he had saved his enemy?
No, ma'am, he did not repent. In fact, he told the bearded man that he will provide his own physicians and caretakers and also return his property.
Yeah. The king was happy. Why did the king feel happy? The king felt happy because who will answer?
Ma'am,
Because his enemy becomes his friend.
Yeah.
Enemy had become his friend.
Yes, because the enmity ended and very easily he found a good friend. Okay, did the hermit give answer to the king's question?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, he answered practically.
Practically, he answered the king's question. What were the answers to his question?
The answer to the first question, which was the most important people, was that the most important people are with whom we are, and the most important time is the present when we have any power, and the most important occupation is to do good to humanity, because for that purpose alone was man sent on earth.
Very good, very nice. Now, can you tell me that why didn't the hermit answers the king questions as soon as they were put to him?
Because the hermit wanted to answer practically.
As soon as they were put to him, because he wanted to teach them practically so that he could understand better.
Yes, the hermit knew the king's questions could not be answered in words. They can be taught practically. If the hermit would have told those 3 lines as soon as the questions were put to him, the king would not have felt satisfied. King को satisfaction नहीं होता ना? Because no one can tell what is the correct right time for any action. It depends on the action. And who are the most necessary people? That also cannot be told, because the hermit had given 2 examples. What were those 2 examples? Can anyone tell me?
The example was one of the
The king was with the hermit. He helped the hermit till the evening, and if he had not helped the hermit, he could have returned and would have died. The second example was that when he was with the bearded man, he took proper care of him and thought of him as the most important person at that time.
if he would not have pitied the king's weakness, he would have returned. And if he would have returned, the bearded man was waiting for him. So he would have killed. For that purpose only the bearded man was hiding. So by that time, who was the most important, what was the most important action? What was the right time for any action? First question was this now, what was the right time for any action? The time when he pitied the hermit's weakness. Who was the most important people? The hermit. And what was the most important occupation? Helping him. Last one was doing good to the humanity. He didn't help the bearded man. He didn't help the hermit because he wanted to know the answer. He felt pity on him, and so he decided to help him. Was it? And second time, when the bearded man came, who was the important person? What was the right? First question: what was the right time of any action? The time when he was when he was dressing the bearded man's wound. And who was the most important person? The bearded man. And helping him, looking after him was the most important occupation. So did you understand the chapter? Means you people had understood the chapter earlier. Just we did revision. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Should we switch over to chapter 2, or we should
Yes, ma'am.
discuss some more questions from chapter 1?
Ma'am, switch over to chapter 2.
We should
Yes, ma'am.
switch over to chapter 2. How many? 10 minutes are left now. I think we can manage. What is the name of chapter 2?
Granny's tree
Granny's
climbing.
tree climbing. Granny's tree climbing.
Who is the writer of Granny's tree climbing?
Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin Bond.
Bond. Ruskin Bond.
Can anyone tell me the story in short?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the Ruskin Bond has described his grandmother's hobby, which was climbing trees, in this short poem. This poem has been taken from one of his books, An Island of Trees. His grandmother was really addicted to climbing trees, and she was climbing trees since and her brother had taught her how to climb trees. The last time she climbed a tree was when she was 62 years old. Her family members always told him that you should stop climbing trees because you have grown old, and growing old should be done gracefully. There is a threat to your life too. It might happen that you fall down a tree, but she didn't listen to anyone, and there was not a single tree in the garden on which she had not climbed. One day what happened, that the narrator's family went away in the town, and Granny was alone in the house, and she climbed a tree. She climbed a tree, but she could not come down, and she got stuck. When the family returned, they were very uh, scared of what might happen to the granny, but she was okay. But she got sick. When the doctor took her temperature, he told her to rest for a week, but she did not like the advice, but her family members sighed in relief. When she finally felt good, she ordered her son and her son to build a treetops house for her. and her son, with the help of the narrator, built a treetop house, and the granny permanently resided in the treetop house, and the narrator used to go to the treetop house with glasses and tray, and they used to enjoy sherry.
Very nice, very nice. Well done. It was Riza's voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, can anyone else? Also, should we ask question answer? I will read one stanza. I will read one stanza, then I would ask question. Okay. First stanza, I am going to a few lines, not exactly stanza. I am going to recite a few lines. Then I would ask question. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why? Because she could climb trees, spreading or high. She would be up their branches in a trice, and mind you, when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. Ever since her childhood, she had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. Let me check waiting. The students are waiting. So, why did the poet call his grandmother a genius?
Because she can climb
She could
trees.
climb trees.
Now, the poet called Granny because she could climb trees in such a old.
Who taught her the art of climbing tree?
His brother.
Her brother.
Her brother. At what age?
Her brother.
At what age?
And 6.
When she was 6.
When she was
At the age of 6.
6.
Okay, here is a line. Ever since childhood, she had this gift. Why has been used 2 times?
Ma'am, the first had is used to show the past participle, and the second had has been used to show possession.
Second possession, yeah. Second, 2 had is written. She had this gift. Okay. Is blackboard visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So, this is the whole sentence is past perfect. And this is helping verb. Everyone knows that perfect form, to use for perfect form we use have had. Have you had हम लोग use करते हैं, and this is known as, and this had has been used as main verb. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I write, she had, I write a sentence, okay. I write a sentence, she goes to market. Very simple. Okay, she climbs trees. She climbs trees. What will be past participle?
She had climbed a tree.
Yeah, she had climbed. She had climbed.
Climb tree. Tree.
She had climbed trees. Okay. So this is main verb, and this is also third form of main verb. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is helping verb. So here this has been used as helping verb and this has been used as third form of main verb. Two helping verbs are of two types, primary helping verbs and modals. Understood? Be verbs, do verbs and have verbs. They are known as primary helping verbs. Why they are known as primary helping verbs? Because they do not need any support of main verb. If I say, she is a good girl, what is the verb used in this line? Only the verb used in this line is. So, I have a pen. Only verb used in the line is have. Up. I do my work myself. Only verb used in the line is do. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Understood? So,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
this is the difference between main verb and primary helping verbs and modals. Modals cannot stand of its own. Model cannot stand of its own. It needs support of a main verb. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If we say I will, it's not a complete sentence. But if we say I will go, is this a complete sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To make the sentence complete, use of a main verb. So,
Verb.
use of a main verb. Helping verb was there. Model is also a helping verb. Will was there. So, helping verb was there. But it needed support of a main verb. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This concept is clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to read the next few lines. And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing through trees should stop when one grew old, and that growing old should be gone about gracefully. She would laugh and say, well, I will grow old disgracefully. I can do it better. And we had to agree. What was he told? What was the suggestion of his family members?
That she should
Shouldn't stop.
That he should stop climbing trees.
The suggestion was he should stop climbing trees. Why the family members suggested her not to climb trees?
because she has grown old.
Grew old.
Because she had grown old. When she had grown old, what was but the problem? Why could she not climb trees?
Ma'am, because there was a risk that she might fall down.
She may fall down. And old age have negative old age has negative growth. If she would fall down, it would become very difficult for her to recover. That's why she was told not to climb trees. What was her answer? What did she say?
She said that she would like to grow old disgracefully rather than